This is the complete apostille process by STS Apostille and Attestation Service. Step 1. The applicant submits the document. The document first goes for notary verification. Step 2. The process depends on the document type: personal, educational, or commercial. Personal documents go to the Home Department or STM. Educational documents may require HRD verification depending on the specific requirements of the destination country. Commercial documents must first undergo Chamber of Commerce COC attestation before proceeding to MEA apostille or attestation. Once the state level verification is completed, all documents are submitted to the Ministry of External Affairs for further processing. Finally, the apostille sticker is issued and your document becomes officially valid for use in the respective country. Now, your document is legally ready to use abroad, secure, authenticated, and internationally accepted. For complete support and hassle-free service, contact STS Apostille and Attestation Service.